Alright guys, Chris Aqua here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be telling you about the $10,000 giveaway by Binance. Binance reached 200 million followers on Twitter, so they are doing a giveaway of $10,000 and I will show you how you can enter the giveaway. But first, before we enter into that part, a big shout out to Senti Boy channel, a big shout out to Newman Omigi, and a big shout out to Unpassive World. If you are new to this channel, I give shout outs to my random subscribers. So if you want to get a shout out from me in my next video, ensure that you subscribe to this channel. So there are 5 ways to enter. First of all, you need to click the link in the description below. It will take you to this particular page you are seeing on the screen. And in your own case, you'll be having 0 entries and you just have 8 days left. As you can see, this is the price for each position, and these are the things you need to do. Right below, you need to follow Binance on Twitter. You need to be on this page to do it. You need to retweet Binance on Twitter, download the Binance app, visit Binance on Facebook, and refer friends for more chances to win. So guys, that is how to enter this giveaway. So if you want to be one of the lucky winners, click the link in the description below and enter the giveaway as soon as possible. So thank you very much and stay safe. Please do also like this video. If you have any comments, drop in the comment section and ensure that you share this opportunity to your friends. Stay safe.